Are you feeling bad at all, or?
I feel fucking itchy. You feel dizzy? Itchy.
But nothing feels like it's closing up, right?
I have like ice.
Why do you have to put that thing on your face?
Because I want to see her.
Italy! Oh my god, we've already seen it.
We love you,
Talk.
No, don't talk.
Now my face is starting to itch. Actually, though, my eyes kind of itch.
Good.
What the fuck are you passing around?
Annalie.
Keep it in.
Annalie, what would you do if we like called up Zach, Robin, and Ethan, and Henry?
Don't take it out. Keep it under your tongue.
Okay, imagine this happening to you on your first.
Night in college.
No, it happened to me my first night in Paris. It was so embarrassing. I didn't know anybody. Wait, okay, Jake's Facebook status is Jake Lightling taking a huge shit.
I think you're good with the
Home
thermometer.
I think it'll beep, but like it's
Yeah, it beeps, right?
It does?
Yeah, it usually beeps when she's done, but
Yeah.
you
Wait,
don't have to
do you want
suck
me
on
to
it.
write on
Just
Jake's wall because Jake knows about medicine?
please call me.
Or I'll message him.
Please
I bet
what?
Ken would know. He took like a medical thing.
You guys, if
Tucker
it
Kosher.
hasn't happened or